Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to Betley Bonfire.
Yeah, Betley Bonfire.
Betley Bonfire. We went there last year.
No, not last year, year before, because it was COVID last year.
Oh, the year before.
The fireworks are so pretty there, so obviously, because we haven't done a video in a little while, we thought we'd bring you guys along with us. There's a massive bonfire, isn't there?
It's like the biggest one I've seen.
Yeah,
so.
the bonfire is literally massive. We know there's like a fair there, because we went on the rides last time, didn't we?
Yeah, that was pretty scary.
And as you all know, T hates rides, so obviously I'm going to be dragging him on them. Yeah, we thought we'd bring you along with us to see the fireworks, basically. See us have a good time.
A good time.
A good time. Before we even get into all that, guys, make sure that you're subscribed.
Like.
And hit the notification bell on. I always forget about the bell, but yeah. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you know when we upload.
We'll see you when we're there, guys.
Got our wellies on. Prep check.
We're here now, guys, but you can probably hear the music is so loud. We're going to try and get as much as we can. So, yeah, apologies in advance.
You should be able to see everything we're doing tonight, so hopefully you can hear us. Yeah, we'll see you later.
Yeah. We're going on the Sizzler.
So we are done.
Come somewhere quiet so we can like just talk to you guys for a little bit. We've just come off the rides. Oh my god, I've literally got a sore throat from screaming so much.
And I have a dead leg as well.
Oh my god, we've had such a good day though.
It was good, but we will sit around for like 2 hours.
Yeah, we waited for 2 hours for the fireworks to come on. They were supposed to come on at 7 and then they made it to 8 and then half 8. Yeah, it was a bit of a pain, but got there in the end. Yeah, we've had a really good night. We haven't done anything like this in like 2 years now because of COVID. I'm sorry that we couldn't like film more because obviously the music was literally so loud. You guys won't be able to hear us and we'd get copyrighted. There was too many people, weren't there?
There's a lot of people around us. So
yeah. Obviously you can't be like shoving the camera in their faces.
Hopefully we have more videos coming up for you guys.
Let us know. Yeah, and let us know what you want to see, if you've got any like requests, suggestions, any video ideas that you want us to do. We haven't really been doing much because obviously COVID, we've just been like working a lot. Basically we need to like, what is it called, like like a sit down talk because so much has changed since we last did like a life update kind of thing. But that's for like another video, so we'll do that another day. We won't get into that now.
Anyways, thank you again for tuning in for another video.
Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it as well. It really helps us out.
See you